Well, FlexiRoam, and in an era where international travel and global communication are the norm, FlexiRoam stands out as a solution to simplify the complexities of staying connected while abroad. This review will cover various aspects of FlexiRoam, including price, customer service, international roaming functionality, connectivity, purchasing options, as well as the pros and the cons, ultimately providing a nice conclusion. So let's talk first about price and then go on. FlexiRoam offers a variety of international roaming plans to cater to different travel needs. While it may not always be the most cost-effective option for heavy data users, it excels in providing convenience. The pricing structure is clear, with pay-as-you-go and data packages available. Keep in mind that the cost depends on specific plan and regions you select. Go on with customer service, and FlexiRoam takes its pride for customer service, and it shows. Their support team is easily accessible through various channels, including email and live chat, with responsive and nice staff. Whether you need assistance with setting up your roaming service or having questions while traveling, FlexiRoam's customer service team is there to help, enhancing the overall customer experience. International roaming functionality. The core strength of FlexiRoam lies in its international roaming functionality. It offers a unique approach by overlaying existing SIM card with a virtual SIM sticker, eliminating the need for physical SIM card swapping. This innovative solution ensures that you can maintain your primary number while enjoying local rates when abroad. The automatic switching between your home network and local networks is seamless, allowing uninterrupted communication. The connectivity. FlexiRoam provides dependable connectivity across various countries and regions, effectively eliminating the stress of hunting for local SIM cards or dealing with excessive roaming charges. The extensive list of supported countries and networks ensures that you can stay connected virtually anywhere you go. How to buy it? The process of obtaining FlexiRoam is straightforward. Users can visit the official FlexiRoam website, use their mobile app to browse through available plans and purchase virtual SIM stickers or data packages. Once obtained, the virtual SIM sticker can be easily affixed to your existing SIM card. And activation is typically hassle-free with clear instructions provided. Well, the pros. Some pros are international roaming innovation. FlexiRoam's virtual SIM sticker technology simplifies international roaming. Global connectivity. Extensive coverage ensures you can stay connected in numerous countries. Convenient and seamless. Eliminates the need to swap physical SIM cards and simplifies connectivity. Responsive customer service. Well, very helpful support enhance the user experience. Cost transparency. Clear pricing structure helped users choose plans that suit their needs. Well, there are some cons, and the cons are not always the most effective. FlexiRoam may not always be the most economical option for heavy data users compared to local SIM cards. Device compatibility. Ensure your device is compatible with FlexiRoam's virtual SIM sticker technology before purchasing. And now, the conclusion. FlexiRoam redefines international roaming with its innovative virtual SIM sticker technology, offering travelers a convenient and seamless way to stay connected worldwide. While may not always be the most cost-effective choice for data-intensive users, its strength lies in its simplicity and the ability to maintain your primary number while enjoying local rates abroad. While responsive customer service, extensive global coverage, and transparent pricing, FlexiRoam is an excellent solution for travelers looking to eliminate the hassle of traditional roaming and SIM card swapping. And this was our review of FlexiRoam eSIM, and I hope you can make your choice based on this review, and I hope to see you soon in the next video, and I wish you a pleasant day. Thank you. Bye bye.